Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at a 3-section loading ramp. Behind me, you're going to see the ramp stowed just in the rear of the vehicle. This is a medium roof Ford Transit. Let's take a look. So the first thing I'll show you is our industry-leading external swivel. This comes standard with all of our swivel ramps. The internal swivel is optional. So when deploying the ramp, it comes down as so, and then you will be pinning the hinges. And then you unlatch the third section on both sides and simply let down the third flap. Now, stay with me. I have a road case. This case weighs exactly 300 pounds. Let's see how it looks. Pretty slick, huh? So, the main reason that you're going to consider a 3-section loading ramp is to achieve a longer length than your roof height would otherwise normally allow for. So in this case, with a medium roof Transit, you can normally have at the longest a 108-inch or a 9-foot loading ramp. The one you're seeing today is about 10.5 feet long. Getting that extra 1.5 feet or so really helps decrease the load angle and make it a lot easier to push whatever load you're trying to get in or out of your van up and in with one person doing the job. Let me fold this back up and I'll show you how easy it is to put away. Just like that, we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.